Three most sacred ones I use all the goddamn time. Hey look, pack of Camel Crush. This, these two are always in my pocket, and this one is always in my bag. This one's always in my bag too, and these are the ones that are in my pocket last. If you're really bad at Zippos, yes, there's a Zippo here. One of my favorite. Had a long ass time. Some teams I root for. It's the three main ones. There's my baseball team, other than the Red Sox too, but I can't find a lighter for it for goddamn sakes. I live in California. As you see, these Bics, a lot of them are clones, because I love these designs, so I keep a lot of them. Main thing with my Zippos, I have 31 of them. There's one I forgot last time when I was recording this crap. Chinese knockoff, it looks cool. This is a belt buckle. That's a lighter too. It's gonna be like 31 of these. I showed all of them. Some knockoffs too, but mostly Bradford, PA. More Chargers and Rams lighters. Wondering why you don't see another New England lighter is because I live in California, so you can't find them. You guys are probably Tom Brady haters, so what the fuck's the point anyway? You probably hate him anyway. But I love him. Whatever. As you can see, these are my three most important lighters out of all of them. These are the three most important. Especially these two. This one's always in my bag. Sorry I don't... Sorry I don't light these in my room, but there's an anal smoke detector. And it is nearly 4 in the goddamn morning. I'm not up all night. I just got up super early and barely slept. Thanks for your time. Zippo and Bic update. Thanks.